feeling stuck, uninspired, or just plain drained at your desk? What if I told you the secret to a more productive, positive, and high-energy workspace isn't a new gadget or a fancy chair, but something ancient, living, and sacred? Today, we're diving deep into the world of vibrational energy and how you can transform your office or home workspace into a sanctuary of creativity and focus. We'll explore 5 incredible houseplants, each with a rich history of being revered as sacred that can literally raise the energetic frequency of your environment. A high-vibration space isn't just about feeling good. It's about creating an atmosphere where your best ideas can flourish, stress melts away, and you feel truly connected to your work. So get ready to meet your new green-leaved colleagues and learn how these ancient botanical treasures can help you create the workspace of your dreams. Let's start with a plant that's practically a household name, but its sacred roots run incredibly deep. The snake plant, or Sansevieria. You might know it as mother-in-law's tongue. In many ancient cultures, especially in Africa where it originates, the snake plant was considered a powerful protector. Its sharp, upright leaves were believed to cut through negative energy and ward off evil spirits, acting like a spiritual guardian for the home. It's also deeply connected to Oya, the Yoruba Orisha of winds, storms, and transformation. Placing a snake plant in your workspace is like setting up an energetic shield. It's renowned for its incredible air-purifying qualities, removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air, which is a physical manifestation of its energetic cleansing properties. On a vibrational level, the snake plant promotes resilience, determination, and a clean slate. It helps you cut through mental clutter and negativity, allowing for clear, focused thought. It's also incredibly low maintenance, thriving on neglect, which energetically teaches us about resilience and strength even in challenging conditions. So, for a workspace that feels protected, clear, and focused, the snake plant is an absolute must-have. Next up, we have the majestic and beautiful peace lily, or spathiphyllum. The name itself gives you a clue to its powerful energy. The peace lily, with its elegant white spathes that resemble flags of truce, has long been a symbol of peace, purity, and healing. Its sacred history is more modern but deeply connected to spiritual concepts of tranquility and rebirth. In Feng Shui, the peace lily is prized for its ability to balance energy and create a serene, harmonious environment. It's believed to neutralize negative vibrations from arguments or stress and convert them into peaceful, flowing qi. It's also associated with the crown chakra, our connection to the divine and higher consciousness. Having a peace lily in your workspace is like having a constant, gentle reminder to breathe, stay calm, and approach your tasks with a peaceful mind. It's particularly beneficial in high-stress work environments or if you find yourself getting easily agitated. This plant not only purifies the air of common toxins, but also energetically purifies the emotional atmosphere. Its ability to thrive in low-light conditions also symbolizes finding light and hope even in dark or difficult situations. So, if you're looking to bring a wave of calm and tranquility to your workday, the peace lily is your perfect green companion. Our third sacred plant is one you might associate with cooking, but its spiritual significance is immense. Rosemary. The botanical name, Rosmarinus officinalis, means dew of the sea. Ancient Greeks and Romans considered rosemary sacred, believing it strengthened memory and brought mental clarity. Scholars would wear wreaths of rosemary during exams to improve their recall. It was also used in purification rituals, burned like incense to cleanse spaces of negativity, much like sage. In fact, it was often placed under pillows to ward off nightmares and evil spirits. Bringing rosemary into your workspace is like plugging in a natural brain booster. The scent alone has been scientifically studied and shown to improve concentration, performance, and memory. On a vibrational level, rosemary is all about clarity, remembrance, and purification. It helps to clear mental fog, sharpen your focus, and connect you to your inner wisdom. It's perfect for tasks that require deep concentration, brainstorming sessions, or when you need to retain a lot of information. A small potted rosemary plant on your desk can be a powerful ally, releasing its invigorating fragrance whenever you brush against it, serving as a constant reminder to stay alert and focused. It cleanses the energetic field of your workspace, ensuring that your mind remains clear and unburdened by stagnant energy. Now let's talk about a plant that's a true icon of spirituality, especially in the East. The holy basil, also known as Tulsi. In Hinduism, Tulsi is considered a sacred goddess in plant form, an earthly manifestation of the goddess Lakshmi. It's found in the courtyards of almost every traditional Hindu home and is worshipped daily. It's revered as the incomparable one and is believed to be a gateway between heaven and earth. The plant is considered a powerful purifier of the mind, body, and spirit. Placing holy basil in your workspace is like creating a direct link to sacred, protective, and uplifting energy. The vibration of Tulsi is one of devotion, purification, and spiritual connection. It's said to create an atmosphere of harmony and to protect against misfortune and negative energies. Its aromatic leaves, when consumed as tea or even just smelled, are known to reduce stress, calm the nerves, and promote mental clarity. For your workspace, Tulsi acts as an energetic harmonizer. It helps to balance your own energy field, making you feel more centered and connected, which is essential for creative and meaningful work. It encourages a sense of purpose and devotion towards your tasks, transforming work from a chore into a mindful practice. If you want to infuse your workspace with a truly sacred and divine vibration, holy basil is unparalleled. Finally, we have the lush and vibrant jade plant, or Crassula ovata. Known as the money tree, or friendship plant, its sacred significance is deeply rooted in feng shui and Asian cultures. The jade plant is a powerful symbol of good luck, wealth, prosperity, and success. Its round, coin-like leaves are believed to attract financial abundance and good fortune. Traditionally, it's placed at the entrance of homes or businesses to welcome in prosperity. Its vibrant green color is associated with growth, renewal, and the energy of the heart chakra. In your workspace, the jade plant is your ally for growth and abundance. It's not just about financial wealth. It's about attracting an abundance of new ideas, opportunities, and positive outcomes. The vibration of the jade plant is steady, grounding, and expansive. It promotes perseverance and consistency, as it's a slow and steady grower itself. Having one on your desk can serve as a visual affirmation of your goals and ambitions. It encourages a mindset of success and helps to dissolve any limiting beliefs you might have around your capabilities or your potential for success. It's a plant that energetically supports your career growth and helps you manifest your professional aspirations. For a workspace buzzing with the energy of success, opportunity, and positive growth, the jade plant is the perfect choice. So there you have it, 5 ancient sacred houseplants to completely transform your workspace. From the protective power of the snake plant and the calming presence of the peace lily to the mental clarity offered by rosemary, the divine connection of holy basil, and the prosperous energy of the jade plant. Each of these green allies brings a unique and powerful vibration to help you create an environment where you can not only work, but truly thrive. Don't just see them as decoration. See them as living, breathing partners in your daily journey towards success, creativity, and well-being. Start with one that resonates with you the most, and watch how the energy in your workspace begins to shift. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who could use a little energetic boost in their workspace. Until next time, stay vibrant.